Hi, and welcome to Calculus Examples. I'm Dr. Finch. Today we're going to look at a sequence and determine if it converges or diverges. And our sequence here is natural log of n plus 1 minus natural log of n. Remember, when we're working with sequences, we can figure out if it converges or diverges partly by taking a limit. So we can do n goes to infinity of... We can think of this as a function, and if it converges as a function, then it's going to converge as a sequence. So we can take a limit as is right here. First thing that we're going to do is going to remember that if we take natural log of x minus natural log of y, this is the same thing as natural log of x divided by y. So this is one of those good algebra things that you should have in the back of your head as you're working through these problems, because it makes a huge difference. All right, so this gives us a natural log of n plus 1 divided by n. Once we have that, we can treat it like we would any other sequence. And when we have a polynomial divided by a polynomial, we take the highest power and pull it out. So if we pull an n out of each term on top, we get left with an 1 plus 1 over n. Pulling an n out of the denominator just leaves us with a 1. Those n's are going to cancel. And this gives us a nice limit to work with. If you enjoy examples and explanations like this, subscribe. I'll be doing Calc 2 problems all spring. So now as n goes to infinity, we see that 1 over n goes to 0. Just as a reminder, here's what the graph looks like for 1 over n. Right, it's going to look like this, or rather 1 over x. There's our graph. So we see as our denominator gets bigger, our 1 over x actually gets incredibly small. So we are looking at the natural log of 1, and the natural log of 1 is always going to be 0. So there's our solution. Thank you so much for listening.